बासित भाई, कोडिंग इज डेड, AI इज द फ्यूचर, हमारा करियर खत्म. I see this comment at least 10 times a day. And honestly, सुबह जब मैंने अपना वर्कस्टेशन ऑन किया, even I had a moment where I thought, is it really getting that easy? But then, reality hit. I was working on a client's checkout page, a high-ticket WooCommerce site, and the AI-generated snippet literally broke the entire payment gateway. Site down, client panic mode में. That's when I realized we are worrying about the wrong thing. Hello Ji, I am Basit. After 3 years of being a senior WordPress dev and leading a team, I can tell you, the AI will replace us talk. It's mostly beep. Look, AI is like a very fast junior developer who has zero common sense. अगर आप सिर्फ copy paste कर रहे हो, then yes, you should be scared. You should be worried. But if you know how to bridge the gap between code that looks okay and code that actually scales, you are golden. Let's talk value. Time for the Snowbricks secret. People ask me, Basit, how do you deliver projects so fast without bugs? Here's the shortcut. Don't ask AI to write your entire logic. Never. I used to. Wait, no. I actually tried this last month on a project called Amazitech. I asked AI to write a custom query for a filterable portfolio. It gave me a massive block of code that worked, but it was hitting the database way too hard. The senior move? Use AI to explain the core hook you need, but you write the optimization. For example, instead of letting AI write a custom loop, I ask it for the most efficient way to use get posts with WP cache set. If you show a client that their site loads in 500 milliseconds because you knew how to handle data caching, they will pay you 5 times more than the guy who just prompts a landing page. That is how you can stay relevant. Value is not in the code anymore. Value is in the architecture. I read another comment saying, why learn CSS when I can just use a prompt? मेरे भाई, prompt से layout मिल जाएगा. But when the client says, I want this specific padding to change only on iPads in landscape mode, and the AI starts hallucinating, तब क्या करोगे? Huh? I've been there. I mean, stuck at 2 a.m. with the broken header stuck. Look, AI can give you the bricks, but it won't build the house for you. You have to be the architect. Simple. So here's my challenge to you. Stop looking for the generate site button. Start looking for the how does this actually work button. I am here to show you the side of development that ChatGPT won't tell you. The real world, client handling bug fixing reality. If you're tired of the AI hype and want to actually become a high paid developer, subscribe कर लो. हम साथ में सीखेंगे how to use these tools to our advantage, not our replacement. कोई specific problem face कर रहे हो कोड में? Drop it in the comments. मैं खुद check करूँगा. See you in the next one. Peace.